Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can enable auto clipping in Metal TV. So basically, let's start by opening up the application right here. Once inside, you then want to navigate through the setting icon. This is going to be the gear icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. And right after clicking on it, we can see the recording category. You want to proceed to the last one, which is going to be the auto clipping, and simply inside you want to make sure that this setting is enabled. In here we can set different conditions. For example, if you love to play Counter-Strike a lot, you will be able to set it in a way that Metal will clip or auto clip your gameplay. So in here, it's selected on 3 kills, 4 kills, and an ace. You can also auto clip your headshot kills, your assist, and that's if you want to. Now you can turn it on and off depending on the game that you want to auto clip. So we have a bunch of game right here that we can simply record. You can just look for the game that you want to record, customize the conditions right here. For example, you have Valorant. I can clip something like a knife kill, 3K, 4K, and more. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.